Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Lebanon. On tonight's menu, Btata Soufflé. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in a sauté pan. I add the lamb mince and break it up and brown. The potatoes are boiling. I add the onion to the lamb. And then I add all the spices and stir them in. And then I add the spinach and get it stirred in. Here's the finished mince. The potatoes are ready. Here's all the goodies for the mashed potatoes. Everything in the bowl except for the cream. Here's the finished mashed potatoes. And here's the assembly area for the soufflé. The first layer of mashed potatoes. The layer of lamb mince. The third layer, which is mashed potatoes. After a generous egg wash, I layered panko. And in the hot box it goes for about 25 minutes. Here it is right out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.